Experiencing freezing issues with your Dell XPS 17 laptop? Discover effective solutions to tackle this problem and bring back smooth performance. Stay tuned as we delve into the reasons behind the freezes and provide you with step-by-step guidance on resolving this frustrating issue. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Enter Device Manager in the text field at the top and click on the relevant search result that appears. Double-click on the Display Adapters entry to view the devices under it. Now, right-click on the graphics adapter and select Update Driver from the context menu. Select Search automatically for drivers from the two options in the Update Drivers window. Windows will now scan for the best available driver on the system and install it for the graphics adapter. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Enter Edit Power Plan in the text field at the top and click on the relevant search result that appears. Click on the Put You Computer to Sleep drop-down menu under both On Battery and Plugged In and select Never from the list of options. Click on Save Changes and preferably restart the computer for these to fully come into effect. Press Windows plus I to launch the Settings app and click on Power and Battery on the right in the System tab. Click on the menu next to Power Mode to view the available options. Select Best Performance from the list. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to launch the Task Manager. Locate programs that are consuming high resources and identify if they are critical. The RAM consumption for each program will be listed under the Memory column. If these aren't critical, right-click and select End Task from the context menu. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Enter Windows Memory Diagnostic in the text field at the top and click on the relevant search result that appears. Click on Restart Now and check for problems, recommended, to identify and eliminate problems, if any exist, with the RAM memory. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.